Okay, so we're back. We've totaled up all of our window square footage with the factors that we have laid out before us here. 75 for west, 72 for east, 71 for north, and 71 for south. These should be your totals on that. So we totaled all that up and we have 17,925. Okay, then we went ahead and we took our linear square foot, which is the 40 plus 60 plus 40 plus 60, and then we times that by all four walls, and then we times that by ceiling height, which is 8 foot. That comes up to 6,400, okay? Then we take the total square footage of the house, which is 2,400 square feet, times the factor of 4 because they had really good insulation. They had, say, R36, R38 insulation in the house. So this is basically a nice energy efficient house. The windows were energy efficient, had really good insulation. So these are why we went with the lower factors. Now there are other factors in your sheet. There's 6.3, there's 8, there's 10 for like no insulation. So it just really depends on how much insulation's in the house is going to determine your factor on your loads. But those factors are all in your sheet. Okay, so then what we did is we totaled all that up, and that we times it by 4 because we used a factor of 4, and that came up to 9,600. Then what we want to do is we want to add these BTUs with these and with these. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to add 6,000 BTUs for people. A family of 5 is basically, it's roughly about 1,000 BTUs per person. So that gave us a total BTU count of 39,925. Now there's 12,000 BTU per ton of air conditioning. So if we were to break this down, this would roughly be a 3.5 ton air conditioner, because we wouldn't want to step down to 36,000 BTUs because we'd be undersized. So roughly I would go with a 3.5 to 4 ton unit for this house. And that's how we come up with the heat load for the house. I know it seems a little bit complicated, but once you go over it a few times, you should have no problem doing it in just a few minutes. All right, thanks guys.